Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add and enable the developer tab in your Microsoft Excel in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the bottom search bar, you need to type Excel. The moment you've typed it, wait for the Excel to appear under the best match. Click on open to continue. So once you have successfully opened your Microsoft Excel, click on blank workbook. Okay. And here under the blank workbook, proceed to the left side of your screen. At the upper side of it, you can see this file, which is beside to home. Click on it and scroll down and go with options. The moment you've clicked on options, you would be able to open your Excel options where in the at the left tab of it, you can see there a list of the options. Here you need to locate this customized ribbon, click on it, and under the customized ribbon, you need to proceed to customize the ribbon. And under this, it has this main tabs. Proceed to the main tabs and go with the developer. Check the box. Once done, proceed on OK. So once you have click on OK, you have just successfully add and enable the developer tab in your Windows or computer. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.